is cold, whether the weather is hot, we'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. This is me, Natalie, from St. Petersburg, hooked on English with you. And today we are gonna talk about rainy weather. We know lots of synonyms for it's raining hard, it's raining heavily. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Raining really hard. It's raining really hard.
Instead of saying it's raining heavily, you can say it's pouring down. It's pouring down. If you want to make it stronger, you can say it's pouring it down. It's pouring it down. It's pelting down outside. It's pelting down outside. It's chucking it down. It's chucking it down. It's bucketing down outside. It's bucketing down outside. It's tipping it down outside. It's tipping it down outside. I always like walking in the rain so no one can see me crying. Charlie Chaplin. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Look at the sky. The heavens are about to open up.